Turn around and say hi, Cheryl. You're on Candid Camera.
Hi.
Cheryl's new horse, Jasmine. She's got a pretty butt. She's a long, tall drink of water, that horse. I thought she was bringing a giraffe. And Angie and Fabio, Fabio has a lovely tail from the, And we have Juby in Flaming Heat with her little giraffe outfit. And Lisa and Hi back there. I think I got you. This is a video full of Jasmine butt shots. Fabio, we're at the water. There's her head. And here's Hi over here, not so bumpy Hi.
Not so bumpy.
It was bumpy when I was videotaping you before I was bouncing. Aw, I missed it. She looked so cute looking at the water.
He likes the water.
Uh-oh, this could be ugly. We got Jewel and... Ah!
I was watching them. I just
Aww.
and scared that she's going to lay down.
Hi, Hi. Hi, Hi. He totally knows his name. He's so cute.
We did a thoroughbred into stuff.
Here we have some colors. Not a fast ride today. I thought it was going to be close to dark when we got back, but not. Jasmine. Jazzy likes it fast, huh?